What's up, guys? In this video, I will show you two online trading platforms that you could go ahead and check out, and I'll also share the things that I feel you guys need to know the most about them. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so we will be checking out Invidia Trade and Pepperstone trading platform, and what are the things that you need to know that I feel, would be beneficial for you to be able to check and will help you out in making the better choice among the two. So when comparing, guys, Invidia Trade and Pepperstone, both platforms, of course, offer compelling features for traders. But Invidia Trade presents a more modern, comprehensive, and accessible solution, especially for retail traders that are looking to grow efficiently in today's fast-paced market. On the other hand, guys, Pepperstone is a reputable, long-standing broker that is known for its tight spreads, fast execution, and regulatory backing. However, its platform is largely suited to experienced traders that are already familiar with MetaTrader or cTrader. So its support and onboarding can feel generic. Now, in contrast, guys, Invidia Trade is offering an all-in-one ecosystem that combines automated tools, trading signals, copy trading, and education in a single user-friendly platform that you could go ahead and check out. And of course, just like what I always tell you, make sure to do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into, and so you could also make informed decisions as you go along. Now, you would be able to check out this website. It will be in the description of the video. It has a lot of information that will help you get to know more on who they are, what they do, and what are the things that will be beneficial for you when you start trading with them. Now, in my honest opinion, guys, what sets Invidia Trade apart is its community-driven approach, and it doesn't just offer tools, guys. It is offering a trading environment where users can learn, copy, or create strategies with transparency and flexibility. So new traders in particular benefit from its automation features and the intuitive dashboards, which reduces the complexity that is often found in traditional platforms like the Pepperstone. Now, moreover, guys, what I would like you to do is to head on over to their About and About Invidia Trade. This is going to give you more information that will help you decide and know more on the things that they are, like the vision, the mission, and why, just like what you see on your screen right now, guys, why they stand out among the rest. So they have the unmatched execution, top quality support, platform of choice, and all that. So you also have more information here. You can head on over to their FAQ section where it will give you answers. Now, if you hover your mouse, guys, over to trading, you will see they have the pairs and stocks, the account types, PAM accounts, deposit and withdraw out of fund account, and their affiliate program. And guys, on their platform, these are the ones that you will be able to use. The Trading View, you have the MT Cloud 4.5, you have the Cloud Vision X, and Cloud Trader View. Now, so again, guys, make sure to do your own research. Head on over to their website and check them out and see for yourself the power of Invidia Trade and what are the things that will give you more value and hopefully will get you more profit out of all your trades. Now, if you are new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell that will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.